The snapping turtle versus pigeon. Snapping turtle catches pigeon under the water. See the video from starting to end. The snapping turtle is a dangerous reptile of the world. Wow, the beautiful and amazing scene of many pigeons drinking water. Wow, the beautiful and amazing scene, the snapping turtle in water. Many pigeons enjoying water. Beautiful and amazing scene in the sea. The snapping turtle see that amazing moment in aggressive mood. Wow, the beautiful and amazing scene of many pigeons in water. The snapping turtle walking towards many pigeons in water and try to attack on pigeon. Wow, the beautiful and amazing scene. The snapping turtle successfully attacked on a pigeon. See that dangerous moment and enjoy them. Oh my God, the snapping turtle successfully attacked a pigeon. Wow, the beautiful and amazing scene. The snapping turtle successfully attacked on pigeon and went away in water.